Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store on your phone. So right here, I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. After open up your Play Store, click on search from the bottom right here. Then come to search app and games. Type in TikTok. Hit on search. The next thing you want to do is to click on install. After successful installation, next thing you want to do is to hit on open right here. Next thing you want to do is to hit on allow. Choose what you like. So here you can choose any of the content you would like to be shown in the display of your TikTok. So I'm going to choose comedy, entertainment, and I will go ahead and choose travel. I'll go ahead and choose life hack. I'll go ahead and choose family. I'll go ahead and choose home and getting. And you can select as many as possible right here. I'm going to choose beauty and style. So next thing you want to do is to click on next right here. And you'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on profile right here. Then you'll have to log in. So here, what you need to do right here is to simply click on continue with Google right here. Then select your Google account. Then right here, set your date of birth. Having set your date of birth, you can continue. Then right here, enter your nickname right here. So if you don't like this nickname, you can change the nickname. However, I will hit on continue right here. Then you are done. You can click on your profile again now, and you'll be taken to your TikTok profile account. Let us do quick security checkup. Hit on continue. Then you have some of the security right here that you need to set up with your TikTok new account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your TikTok, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.